What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I recently talked to a couple of people in my comment section as well as, in person, and we were talking about meme coins. We were talking about projects that don't inherently have like the largest use case in the world. Doesn't mean that they don't have a use case in general. It means that they're more towards the popularity and excitement behind the name and what it stands for there, right? Um, I'm trying to think of a something that's similar. Maybe if you're looking at somebody that's popular in sports and it's more about their popularity rather than their play, but they do bring something to the table within the play portion as well. Some meme coins, they're more popular because of that, but then they also offer something, maybe a little bit for that utility side of things. But anyways, I was talking about this, and they were saying how they were tired of meme coins. And honestly, I had to let them know that meme coins are where the money is and where the money is flowing, right? Especially right now, where you see a lot of projects that are coming up on different chains and different things that are getting people very excited. Um, that's where the money is. And I had to let people know that that's where my head is as well, because I've been talking about a lot of these new projects because they offer so much return for people. And if you're looking for that chance to turn $1,000 into 10,000 or $1,000 into 100,000, right? These are the opportunities to do that. You're not necessarily going to always find that with a top 100 coin. So maybe something that can go from a top 2,000 or 5,000 coin to a top 500 coin, right? So, anyways, let's talk about a new project that I wanted to bring to the table, which is Naruto Inu. This is a project that I've seen, right, came across my desk. It definitely has a little bit of popularity, combining Naruto with Shiba Inu and seeing the popularity there. So let's go ahead and dive into this. If you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to, check out any of the links for Naruto Inu, I will provide those at the top of the description. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into it. Sorry for the long intro, but let's go ahead and dive into this. It's not a lot to understand about this project, but this is Naruto Inu. You can see the project or the image and how that looks combining Naruto with Shiba Inu. It's a dog coin, which does have a lot of popularity. And let's check what it's all about, right? You have different places to where you have that connection, right? CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Dex Screener, Dex Tools, Twitter. Discover the world of Naruto Inu. A blend of the fierce spirit of Naruto, the beloved ninja from I'm horrible with this. Masashi, Kisamoto. There we go. We'll go with that. Iconic Japanese, anime series, and the loyalty and strength of the legendary anime dog. Naruto Inu represents an unprecedented fusion in the realm of anime spirited themes, creating the ultimate anime dog that stands unmatched in power and charisma. Starting on Ethereum, then transitioning to our largest L1 meme blockchain, crafted to offer superior utility and exclusive benefits for all Naruto holders. Led by a team of seasoned veterans and backed by a formidable advisory board, Naruto Inu is not just a project, but a revolution in the making. Step into the world where innovation meets tradition and community meets cutting edge technology. Naruto Inu is more than a character or a token. It's a movement. Be a part of something bigger where every holder isn't just a participant, but a pioneer in a new digital landscape. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Naruto Inu. All right, so that breaks down everything you need to know. sorry if I mispronounced anything because I know there are huge anime fans. I was never really the biggest fan of Naruto. Like I've probably watched like maybe 2 episodes. I have to be honest. A big fan of like Dragon Ball Z and all of these other things that are there. But um, this is a project that has its popularity, right? Naruto has its popularity as well as Shiba Inu having its popularity. Now, when you look at the tokenomics and the breakdown there, advisors and team get 9%. 46% for project funding. You have 10% to DEX liquidity. Business and development utility is 20% there. Exchange, partnerships, and marketing is 15% out of the 300 billion that's introduced there. The utility, so EVM compatible, easy to use crypto wallet, EVM compatible wallet, multi-factor authentication. You have portfolio tracking equals token intelligence, influencer, and hype intelligence, a core foundation of the blockchain space. So you would have your wallet, the amount that you made in the past day, the balance of that as well. Decentralized token swap DApp, so decentralized AMM system, multi-chains, charting and graphs, advanced trading, on-chain analytics. So you're gonna have a little bit more to it. So honestly, you look at this and you're saying this is not just a meme, not just something that's popular, but also offering something extra into it, which is good. Naruto Inu chain, secure L1 meme chain, additional due diligence of all token creators, advanced security enhancements, detection and prevention of fraud tokens, increased transaction speed and reduced gas fees, third-party stake validator nodes. This is Naruto Inu. If you guys want to see the Twitter account, feel free to go over to the Twitter account. They have 1,317 followers at the moment. Right now, the contract has been deployed and it's on chain. Trading is not live yet, from what I understand. You can go in here and see Naruto. If you go into Uniswap, you have the address as well. Especially as you look here, you have the address. But I'm not sure if you can purchase anything right now. I'm pretty sure trading is not live still. I'll have to fully confirm with you guys and put it maybe within the comments, but I'm pretty sure it's not confirmed yet. But the reason why I bring this to the table, the reason why I talk about this is because meme coins, very popular, right? It's about popularity, it's about growth, and if you're looking for growth within your investments, being able to turn a certain amount of money into a larger amount of money, which is everybody's goal as an investor, that's what you get with a lot of these meme coins. And I wanted to bring that to the table and tell you what they do have to offer. Now, some other things, they do have collaborations with Pal AI. If you wanted to just put that or jot that down in your notebook. You have the contract that is already audited. Utilities are in production, and we have sneak peeks that are already have been released for utility, which is the DeFi wallet, the swap mechanism, the layer 1 blockchain, specializing in meme tokens with due diligence for all token creators. So you have a lot of things that are going on here. And I think it could be very, very interesting for everyone involved. Let me know what you think about this project. I'm very interested to know in the comment section below. I know there are people that are maybe tired of newer projects, but again, you see the opportunity in a lot of these newer projects. You see the opportunity in these kind of combination, these collaboration, meme coins where you see, Naruto meets Shiba Inu or something else meets Dogecoin or whatever, right? You see that collaboration in a way. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out the links for Naruto in the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.